Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Today we're gonna make a cinnamon cupcake with vanilla frosting. All you need is some ingredients. It's not that much, but it's a very easy recipe to make. So we need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1 cup of milk, half cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs. Okay, let's start. So, you need 2 balls, but you gotta use one for now. So I'm gonna use this orange one. First, we need 2 cups of flour. So there's 1 cup. And then 2 cups. I'm so excited to make this recipe. Okay, let's do it. 1. And now 2. Okay. Next, 1 cup sugar. I guess this is the sugar. Okay. Next, I'm gonna wait. You can pause the video if it's quick. Next, 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And tablespoons of cinnamon. I put this in a bowl because it's easier to get. Yay. That looks pretty weird. Oh wait, I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit with a spoon. Yes. Gonna mix it to make it all white. Okay, now 1 cup of milk. So I got 1 cup of milk. We're gonna use the green bowl now. Whoa, this milk is a lot. And now, half cup of vegetable oil. Ew. Vegetable oil. It's like bubbles. And then next thing, it's the last thing, then we have to mix it all up together. 2 eggs. You can just crack them, then you have to mix them. I'm going to pour it in here. Okay. Now go mix this. I'm scared to mix it. I guess we have to mix that. Okay, we gotta pour it in now. Before I do that, okay, now we're gonna mix this whole thing together. Whoa. Mixed it like for I think 5 or 10 minutes. And you have to make it like nice and smooth. Okay. This thing is gonna be a little bit scary, but I have to try to do it. Gotta mix it all up. Well, keep on mixing it. Look how brown that is. I'm not tasting it yet. And guys, when we finish our cupcake, we're gonna taste test it. I wonder how it's gonna taste. Okay, we gotta mix it faster. Okay, keep on mixing it for 5 minutes. I know it takes long to mix because this is a cinnamon cupcake with vanilla frosting. And guys, let me get the vanilla frosting. This is the vanilla frosting. We're going to put it on later because after we bake it. Okay, people mixing. And gotta mix some more there. Oh my god. That's pretty. I'm going to see if there's a, you can't let the flour see. You can't let the all ingredients see because you got to like make it nice and okay guys, just wait here for a minute. We're going to get this thing where we put cupcakes on. And guys, you got to get a pair of spoons. Spoons. And you're going to put in each of them. Make sure you mix all of them properly. Oh, I saw some. Just go mix it just for 2 more minutes. Ooh. This looks so delicious. I'm just making sure that they're, I just saw, you can make this with your mom and dad, or you can make it yourself. You can watch this video or other videos to make how to make a cupcake. And this is for me, and I'm a kid, I'm not an adult, but I'm learning how to make a cupcake, and it's going to be a real cupcake. Oh my god, this is so cool. See? Brown. Let me make this. Okay, I think it's good now. I do not know where to put this. And we got these cupcake things. Okay, this is going to be a little bit oily because we got to. This looks so delicious. It's like a brown. I'm trying to get this on here, but it's so hard. I wonder how to do this. Just maybe I'm going to put the ball near to the cupcake thing. It's not coming off me. Okay. That's the third one. You gotta put it in all of these. Okay, this will take for I think like a few minutes. Oh my god, look at that. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 15-20 minutes, 180 degrees. And look, that's how it is. Took a little bit long. Okay, now I finished baking it. We're going to put the vanilla frosting. We're going to put it not too much. Like circle, circle. Okay, now the cupcakes are done. Let's try one of them. I'm going to try this one. I hope you enjoyed my video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!